Imagine a world where your worn-out jeans get a second life as part of a sofa, or your old t-shirt finds its next avatar as an insulation panel. No, this isn't a plot from a sci-fi movie. It's the real-world magic of textile recycling, a process turning old fabric into new possibilities. In a world drowning in discarded garments, textile recycling is not just a trend, it's a necessity. And here's why you should be all ears. This isn't merely about reducing waste. It's about revolutionizing the way we view and utilize textiles. So, buckle up as we dive into the rag bin and uncover the future of fashion and sustainability. Let's pull the thread on this fabric tale. Every year, millions of tons of textiles end up in landfills, where they take hundreds of years to decompose. But here's the twist. A significant chunk of this material could be repurposed, reimagined, and reborn into something new and exciting. Enter textile recycling, the unsung hero in the battle against fashion waste, transforming yesterday's clothes into tomorrow's treasures. But how does this alchemical process work? And what makes it as exciting as finding a vintage Chanel in your grandmother's attic? Textile recycling starts with the collection and sorting of old fabrics, a Herculean task given the diversity of materials and conditions. Fabrics are then graded and categorized, with the wearable pieces finding new homes and the rest facing their next adventure. What comes next is a process as fascinating as it is varied. Mechanical recycling, where fabrics are shredded into fibers and spun into new yarns. Chemical recycling, transforming fibers at a molecular level to create pristine materials. And upcycling, where creativity takes center stage, turning waste into high fashion statements. But here's the catch. Not all textiles are created equal. Synthetic fabrics, the ones that give your sportswear its stretch and your raincoat its waterproof charm, are notoriously difficult to recycle. They're the divas of the textile world, demanding complex processes that challenge even the most innovative recyclers. Yet, the tide is turning with groundbreaking technologies that can separate and recycle blends, promising a future where even the most stubborn materials can be reborn. And what about the impact? Textile recycling is more than an environmental good deed, it's a powerhouse of potential. Reducing the need for virgin materials conserves precious resources, from water to oil, and slashes carbon emissions, tackling climate change one recycled sweater at a time. Moreover, it opens up new avenues for creativity and innovation in fashion design, proving that sustainability and style can go hand in hand. The economic ripple effects are equally impressive. Textile recycling creates jobs, from collection to processing, and fuels a circular economy that values resources and minimizes waste. It's a win-win-win scenario for the planet, people, and pockets. Yet, the road to textile recycling nirvana is not without its potholes. Challenges abound, from the technical hurdles of recycling complex blends to the economic realities of making recycled materials competitive with virgin counterparts. And then there's the cultural shift required to embrace recycled materials as not just acceptable but desirable. The good news? Momentum is building. From grassroots movements to multinational corporations, the push for textile recycling is growing stronger, fueled by innovation, consumer demand, and the urgent need for sustainable solutions. Fashion giants are experimenting with recycled fabrics, while startups are exploring novel recycling technologies, proving that when it comes to sustainability, creativity knows no bounds. But perhaps the most exciting part of this textile tale is the role each of us can play. By choosing recycled materials, donating old clothes, or simply thinking twice before tossing a garment, we can all be part of the solution. It's a journey of 1,000 miles that begins with a single recycled t-shirt. In conclusion, textile recycling is transforming the fabric of our society, weaving together threads of sustainability, innovation, and responsibility into a tapestry of hope for the future. It's a world where waste becomes wonder, and old fabrics find new life in ways we've only begun to imagine. So next time you look at your overflowing closet, remember, those forgotten garments could be the raw material for the next big thing in fashion. And with that thought, we leave you to ponder the endless possibilities that lie in the art of textile recycling.